In the past, diesel powered cars were very noisy, but now things have changed. Now let's see the advantages and disadvantages of diesel powered cars one by one. The first aspect is fuel economy. When it comes to fuel economy, diesel powered cars are much more efficient than the petrol powered one because diesel powered cars are capable of converting almost 45 to 50 percentage of the fuel power into real usable power in the engine, while the gasoline powered, the petrol powered one falls behind by 30 percentage. Thus, diesel powered cars offer 25 to 30 percentage more fuel economy compared to the gasoline powered one. The second aspect is efficiency. Diesel fuel is more efficient and energy dense fuel compared to gasoline because it has more usable energy. It even converts the heat energy into usable energy in the diesel engine. The third aspect is that the diesel powered vehicle does not need an ignition tune-up because diesel powered vehicles does not have a spark plug or a distributor. So the advantage is that you don't have to inspect them regularly. The fourth aspect is the engine's lifespan. The diesel engines have a longer lifespan compared to the petrol engines because diesel engines are designed to handle a higher compression ratio, and also the diesel fuel has better lubricating properties, so the life of the diesel engine is much longer compared to a petrol engine. The fifth aspect is torque. The diesel powered vehicle have much more torque than a petrol powered one. Torque will help you to tow more load. The luggage capacity can increase if your vehicle has more torque. For an example, if you are on a signal and when the green light comes, you are on a diesel powered vehicle and your friend is on a petrol powered one, a similar variant, your vehicle will have more torque. That means your vehicle will accelerate more faster because the drive or the torque you are getting at the output shaft will be much greater than the petrol variant vehicle. The sixth aspect is safety. Your diesel powered car is more safer compared to a petrol variant because while an accident happens, it has less chance to catch fire because diesel fuel has a much higher flash point compared to petrol. So your vehicle will not catch fire with a spark or something. If a spark occurs, a petrol powered vehicle will catch fire. It will directly get exposed to the fuel and a spark can ignite petrol, but a spark will not actually ignite diesel fuel. So that's an advantage. It will not catch fire immediately, so it's more safer. So now the seventh aspect is service. Service is less frequent in a diesel powered car. That means the service intervals of a diesel powered car is longer compared to a petrol powered car, but regular maintenance has to be done on a diesel powered car. If you are not doing that, then the cost of maintenance will go high on a diesel powered car. So the eighth aspect is high resale value. The resale value of a diesel powered vehicle will always be greater than that of a petrol variant, so that's an advantage. Another advantage of diesel powered vehicles is that they don't use high voltage ignition system and also don't emit radio frequencies. So radio frequencies can interfere with other electronic components of your car. This doesn't happen with a diesel powered engine. As we have seen the advantages of a diesel powered car, now let's see what are the disadvantages of having a diesel fuel car. First of all, high maintenance cost. The service charge of a diesel powered car engine is much higher compared to a petrol one because the parts price is much higher and diesel engines use more advanced technology, so a well-trained technician is required for doing the service of your vehicle, so that's costing you much higher compared to a gasoline powered one. The cost of a diesel powered vehicle will be on a higher side compared to the gasoline powered one. It doesn't have to do anything with the design part of the vehicle or the car, but it is more of a supply demand issue which is raising the cost of the diesel variant. Another disadvantage of diesel powered vehicle is its sluggish performance in colder region because once it obtains its optimum temperature only, the engine will perform efficiently in case of a diesel engine. So what happens is that in colder regions the engine will respond a little sluggish. diesel engine is slower compared to the gasoline engine or the petrol variant. So that's another disadvantage. And also you can see that diesel engines require more money for service or repair, and also the maintenance cost sometimes go higher if you are not properly maintaining the engine. That means if a diesel engine comes for repair, the cost for repair will be higher than that of a gasoline powered engine. So that is another disadvantage when you compare the diesel variant with the petrol variant. Please click the like button to support us and drop a comment if you have any doubts. You can directly contact us on our WhatsApp number. And also don't forget to subscribe to us, because a lot more technical videos are coming. So subscribe to us and keep tuned in to Tech Tricks Info. Have a great day.